Dito tayo ngayon sa kotse ulit. Pa-uwi na tayo sa trabaho. Kasama ko si best friend. Siya muna yung aking pinaghawak ng camera kasi nagtatrive ako.
Hello guys,
Siya si Muklis.
we are going to now our lunch.
Yes.
So
Take care.
Mr. Edgar is driving car.
Yes.
He is good driving
Yeah.
and he is a good man.
Yes, thank you. He is also good man.
Yes, he is my best friend
Artist.
and sometimes he is love.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I love him also.
Okay.
So
So we are going to now is a deep city. It is a good road. Homes.
So can you watch them for the road? What is the
Already there is looking at the for house.
how is beautiful the place here?
Yes, yes, very beautiful. More than
Anything else?
else.
I would like to.
Okay. We are happy
In the
to-
highway now. We are in the highway. You say you just how you learn some vlogging without?
We are happy. We are working together.
Yes.
This is our water
Tank.
supplier machine office.
Yes.
They are giving us sweet water.
Yeah.
So we are advised to you are visit here our city. This is the beautiful city
So
Okay.
beautiful and
and it's neat and clean city.
yes.
So
Why I'm not there? We put the cover like that. Yes. Like
I
that.
close now.
Yeah. Just